I'm Ryan Boucher, and I'm one of the co-leaders for the H2020 visioning process. I believe my involvement with H2020 started about a year and a half ago when I was asked to help lead the charge for the latest visioning process. I took the task and felt like it was an important one. What do I think Watertown's greatest strength is? Without a doubt, it's our people. The people in Watertown are very, very committed to seeing Watertown be successful, for it to grow. They're loyal to Watertown, they love Watertown, they're willing to lend in where needed, chip in, and take part in the process, whether it's through monetary or through volunteerism. They're here to help through the process. Additionally, Watertown is very, very open to change. We're a community that prides ourselves in being on the forefront of community growth as far as coming up with new ideas. Lake Area Tech is a crowning jewel in Watertown, and it's an example of Watertown's willingness to try new things, to challenge themselves, to grow, and to move forward rather than regress as a community. I became involved in the Watertown 2020 visioning process because I believe strongly that this is a place that can continue to grow. And I love Watertown. My wife is from here. She was born and raised, left for a while to go to college and came back. I actually grew up in a small town in central South Dakota. I love the small town atmosphere, the community feel in a small town. And I think that Watertown has a lot of those same small town feels in a bigger community for South Dakota. I think that it's got the opportunity for growth. There's plenty of existing opportunities to enjoy the community, to have some fun activities in the community. But there's also the chance to progress as a community and do some more things, to break the mold of what we've traditionally done in Watertown, to expand what offerings we have socially as well as with facilities. I really believe strongly that Watertown can continue to grow. My wife and I plan on raising our family here. We want to be here for good. We want to stay in the community, and if we're going to be here, we want to see it continue to develop and be a place where others want to be as well. The area of our vision plan that most spoke to me was the diversification of our employment. I believe that as a banker, I work with a lot of different businesses in the community, and I think we could certainly use some more diversification in our businesses, some different employment opportunities for new businesses coming to town, but also to help expand and assist those existing businesses that are in Watertown to make their positioning in Watertown better, to continue to grow the economy in Watertown. It's important that we bring in new businesses, that we expand the existing businesses, we grow wages, that will bring in new workers. And I think ultimately that's our goal here, is to try and bring in more people to Watertown and make it a more desirable place for those that already live here. I think that if we work harder at developing these business areas and the career offerings in Watertown, we'll attract those young workers, we'll continue to grow our population and have those social offerings that we're all looking for.